So it's Tuesday, the 20th of October 2020, and I'm on to the fourth and final panel for Hodge Hill College. And there's lots to play with on this one, lots of big gaps, and lots of delicious greens, blues, and purples. Who doesn't like a green, blue, and purple? There's so many hues to choose from. So I'm going to be enjoying playing and trying out different things. And I'm going to use my anger management corner here. This is my favourite crock stash. You know, the kind when you were a little kid and kept your things and said, "It's mine," you know, that kind of corner. Well, this is "It's mine" corner, you see. So all my favourite bits of crocks are stashed there. So I think Hodge Hill deserves to have a little bit of favouriteness. So I'm going to tell this one, come on, get up. This is time for you to go and join the other two, and I will get on with the next mosaic panel. See you soon. Bye. So it's Saturday, the 24th of October 2020, and I think I'm just under halfway through making this fourth panel that I've entitled Mandala. So it's a little view from the top there. And basically, I've given the centre of this mandala flower a stripy green, which has kind of reminded me of Dr. Seuss's green ham and eggs. But I'm going to now work on infilling. So I've got a very deep, dark purple, which isn't as dark as this film is showing. And I'll take some photos of that so you can see what the true colour is. The thing is with greens, purples and blues, they don't come up very well on digital. But there you go. I'm going to infill alternate areas in this lavender, light purple mauve-esqueness in this area. So every other one, and then the dark one is every other one. I've already used some crockery and shaped and cut those. I've used really thick tiles. I've got ready-mades here. I've got some nice crockery in the centre, like this Victorian piece of crockery, and I've put a nice glass bubble on top. So there's been a little bit of fun. Oh, and I've got some mirror here as well, which will give it some sparkle on the wall. So that's what the work looks like right now. I had a friend of mine who I showed this photo on Instagram, and she mentioned that maybe it looks a little bit like a passion flower, which I think it does. So it's really quite unconscious that I'm using purples in this area, but it kind of will look like more like a passion flower. I really like this one actually. It's really zinging. So this is what the work looks like so far. See you soon. So it's Monday, the 26th of October 2020, and I have been a little busy. On Saturday morning, I spent a few hours working on the background, the purples. It's a pity you can't see how light this purple is. It's come out quite dark with the camera. I'm sure I've mentioned it before, so I'll take some photos of this. I've used crockery. I've even used some mirror here, so that'll bring a little bit of sparkle to the playground. And I've cut up pieces of blue and white china as well. So this is what this mosaic looks like so far. And a friend suggested that it looks like a little bit of a passion flower. And I'm getting that idea. It's looking fabulous as a passion flower. So the next plan is to go with this circle that was already on the drawing. So the decision has to be about whether I make a perfect circle using a string and pencil so it's absolutely bang on, or make it wibbly wobbly as it is now. And then infilling. And because I've enjoyed all these wibbly wobbly shapes, you know, these long shapes, not necessarily with crockery, but I'm thinking I'm going to do that shape again, perhaps on the inside here, but I might put some glass pieces like so. It might be more towards these thinner ones than these ones. See how I get on with cutting some of these so that they're that kind of thickness. So yeah, so that's the plan for today. So friends, a short filmette. I've got some nice 20mm by maybe 40mm long glass deliciousness, which you can buy in sheets like this, you see. And if you want to cut them, the way I cut them is using my Toyo glass scorer and Vitrex heavy duty score snapper. So I would get the required size I want, and this is a ready-made. I would then draw so that I measure up the right thickness that I want. Then I would score the lines. Can you hear the scratching sound? So you've scratched it into the glass, and then I would snap. So I would make sure that the glass is well and truly inside. The tool is inside the glass, or you know what I mean. You can see what I mean. And then give it a snap. And then give it another snap. Like so, you see. So that's all there is to it. So I would then use these to go around the edge of the circle, which kind of more or less matches the ready-mades that are already that size. And that's how I score and snap. So it's Thursday, the 29th of October 2020, and I finished creating the fourth mosaic named Mandala this morning about 10:30, 10:27 to be precise. But here is
what the mosaic looks like. And it has that sense of passion flower about it, or exotic flower, or delightful, gorgeous, a little bit of sumptuousness about it. I'm loving the colour combination of blues and purples and greens, and it's come out really well. And my plan is to grout it in a grey coloured grout, a mid to dark grey colour. I think that would work much better than a deep brown, chocolate brown, because that's more of a reddy based red colour. Reddy based. So that's what this mosaic looks like, and this is the final one. And the next port of call, the next plan of action is to grout them, which I'll start doing tomorrow, first thing in the morning. So I'm going to do a separate filmette about grouting all 4 panels. So thank you very much for viewing so far, and if you haven't done it already, please subscribe to YouTube Mango Mosaic. Okay then, see you soon. Bye.